Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the theorem of total probability, and on the basis of this theorem we will solve two problems. Okay, so the statement of total probability is if b1, b2, b3 up to bn be a set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, and A is another event associated with B1, B2, B3 and Bn, then the formula for total probability is the inner circle represents event A. A can be occur along with B1, B2, B3 and Bn that are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So A1, A B1, comma A B2, A B3 up to A Bn are also mutually exclusive A B1, A B2, A B3 up to A Bn all are the mutually exclusive. So event A is A B1 plus A B2 up to A Bn by addition theorem. So event A is the sum of all the mutually exclusive events A B1 plus A B2 plus dot 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 plus A Bn by using the addition theorem. So probability of A is probability of summation of A Bi. Okay, so we have to take probability on both side, and this expression we will write in term of summation, and submission probability of A Bi, since A B1, A B2 up to A Bn are mutually exclusive. Okay, so now by using the formula of conditional event we can write this as probability of Bi into probability of A given of Bi. So the probability of an associative event A is summation of probability of Bi into probability of A given of Bi. So this is the expression or formula for the total probability, and this is also known as the theorem of total probability. Right, now we will solve a problem. Now we will solve a problem based on the total probability. The problem is In a coin tossing experiment, if the coin shows head, a dice is thrown and the result is recorded. But if the coin shows tail, two dice are thrown and their sum is recorded. What is the probability that the recorded number will be 2? Okay, so the solution is, so when a single dice is thrown, so probability of recorded number 2 is 1 by 6. And when two dice are thrown, the sum will be 2 only if each die shows 1. Therefore, probability of getting 2 as sum with 2 dice is equal to 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 36, since independent. So by the theorem of total probability of 2 is equal to probability of head into probability of 2 given head plus probability of tail into probability of 2 given tail. So here the probability of head is 1 by 2 into probability of 2 given head is 1 by 6 plus probability of tail is 1 by 2 into probability of 2 given tail is 36, that is, so now 1 upon 12 and 1 upon 72, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 72. So the probability of getting 2 or the probability of recorded number 2 is 7 upon 72. This is our required probability of recorded number 2. The second problem is a bolt is manufactured by 3 machines A, B and C. A turns out twice as many items as B, and machines B and C produce equal number of items. 2% of bolts produced by A and B are defective. 4% of bolts produced by C are defective. All bolts are put into one stock pile and one is chosen from this pile. What is the probability that it is defective? So from the question, let A, the event in which the item has been produced by machine A and so on. Let D be the event of the item being defective. So probability of A is 2. Probability of A is 1/2 and it is the twice of the probability of B. So probability of B is half of probability of A. So here probability of B is 1/2 into 1/2, that is 1/4. And B and C produce equal number of items. So the probability of C is also 1/4. Right? And probability of D given A, D be the event of the item being defective and A be the event in which the item has been produced by machine A, is equal to probability of an item is defective given that A has produced it. Right? So the probability of D given A is 2% of the bolts produced by A, and that is defective. So the probability is 2 upon 100 is equal to 0.02. So probability of D given A is 0.02. And this probability is equal to probability of D given B, because 2% of the bolts produced by A and B are defective. Okay, so the probability of defective are same for the event of A, in which the item has been produced by machine A, and the event B, in which the item has been produced by machine B. And the probability of D given C is the probability of an item is defective given that C has produced it. 4% of bolts produced by C are defective. So probability of D given C is equal to 4%, 0.04. So now we are going to use theorem of total probability to calculate the probability that it is defective, right? So by theorem of total probability, so probability of a defective is equal to probability of machine A into probability of D given A, means defective and given that A has produced it, plus probability of B into probability of D given B plus probability of C into probability of D given C. So here probability of A is 1 by 2, B is 1 by 4, C is also 1 by 4, and D given A is 2%, and D given B, probability of D given B is also 2%, and probability of D given C is 4% from the question. So probability of A is 1 by 2 into probability of D given A is 0.02% plus probability of B is 1 by 4 into, and probability of D given B is 0.02% plus 0.02, and probability of C is 1 by 4 into probability of D given C is 4%, 0.04. So this will give 1 upon में 40, and the probability of D is equal to is 0.025. So this is our required probability, a probability that it is defective bolt. Thank you.